Fall.
Okay, oops.
Now, right through the mud.
No, I'm actually getting stuck. I haven't recorded anything today other than one little
They
thing.
painted the tree like turquoise or whatever the heck that is.
Hey, they even painted that lifting turquoise.
Which lift?
Oh, they were trying to paint this ride and
Ha. Hey, they're getting Eli the train out again, finally, for the first time of the year. Woohoo! Choo choo! Well, there wasn't a whole lot of video, whatever, but we really didn't do a whole lot, just a bunch of mulching in the rain. And we did pick up some mud. There's one spot of that, but anyways, not a lot going on up there or today at work. Getting ready to head home and keep editing videos. Last night, so I got home and I was starting to edit videos, got about 2 or 3 done, and I fell asleep. And Mom was already out getting food and getting supper, and I was already asleep before the time she got back, and I did not wake up for a long time. So might be able to tell or see how my transmission is still messing up. But yeah, so tomorrow is supposed to be rainy, like all day long. So what's probably going to happen is I'll be in the truck and just driving around picking up a bunch of mud piles. So yeah, tomorrow's going to suck, or at least be really rainy and wet. Let's see, I did finally figure out how to get the, I don't know, like their sync or CarPlay or whatever. I figured out how to hook my phone up to the radio after about 15-20 minutes, and it sucks. Now to put that into perspective, I've just like farm show and different stuff with FFA. They've had like different trucks out there and anything for you to look at, and I was messing around with a couple Chevys before, about 4 or 5 of them actually, and of all those, I was able to get my phone hooked up to every single one of those within about 2 minutes tops. So it took about 7 times longer to figure out how to hook it up on the Ford. And yeah, like the Chevys, they all have that My Chevy Link or whatever they call it. And so you get an LCD screen and everything, and it's real easy to navigate. But yeah, on that Ford, it's almost like trying to do it just on that and just try to navigate a bunch of buttons, and it's a pain. I hate it. But anyways, so we're heading home, and I have no idea what we are going to get into. But well, yeah, we're here at home. I've been editing some videos, and I'm trying to get some of them uploaded and yeah, get them all posted for you guys. Let's see. Actually, I'm actually working on today's vlog today, so that's a very big improvement. Let's see. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. So, Eli, that train. I'm just gonna tell you a little bit about Eli because this is already a short video. I was at like 4 minutes before this. So, but basically, Eli is a fully functional steam train or steam engine train. Let's see. In fact, we got it and converted it from a coal burning steam train, into a propane burning steam train. So we don't have to worry about coal. We just have to get propane and fill it up to propane. But and that is a real steam engine. And I'm not too up to date with all the info and anything, and I forgot a lot. But I was like I don't know, it's an old train, and we've had it for a long time. But still pretty cool, pretty interesting piece. Yeah. So let's see. Now we're looking about 6 minutes in. Yeah. Some of my previous videos or future, a couple of these videos, maybe out of date and out of order, as I am wanting to do those little rants I was talking about in a previous video, to help take up some more time, but I'm not really up to doing those rants right now. Ooh, you know what? Tomorrow I'm going to try to get my phone holder windshield mount thing. And you know what? I might just have to do some of that in the truck tomorrow. Yeah, I like that idea. So, anyways, but I'm probably going to get a lot of these videos uploaded and posted before I get those edited in and everything, and uploaded and posted and everything. So some of these videos may be a little scattered and out of order, but I don't know. But I believe it was this video. Towards the beginning I had said no, it was yesterday's video. But go follow, let's see, Kobe Man is 23, 26. Anyway, I'll leave it down in the description. Yeah, because I guess supposedly I inspired him or something. I don't know. Doesn't make much sense to me, but whatever. No, but he's starting to do vlogs as well. And I can't wait to see how they're going to turn out. So, I guess this is going to have to wrap up this video. Please like and subscribe. Keep checking back for more. Comment any suggestions or just any comments or anything you may have. And yeah, so until next time, I'm still trying to think of a catchphrase or something. If you have a suggestion, leave it in the comments below.